We are going to go over the resource National Geographic Kids. National Geographic Kids is a great resource, especially if you are focusing on science or social studies. There's a lot of topics in here. They have videos, pictures, books, and magazines that the kids can go through and look at. What I really like about National Geographic Kids is when you use a resource, it actually automatically has the citation. It automatically has the citation. They can either go to the tools here, or it is always on the bottom of the source. So there are videos. It does give you suggested things to go with it. If we go back, let's take a look at one of the magazines. So this is a really good tool, especially if you want your kids to get some nonfiction reading in, or if you're going over nonfiction text features. They are able to listen to it up here in the corner. However, it is the computer-generated voice, but it will help out a lot of your readers. You can navigate up here. It is a zoom in option, so it is like an actual magazine. They can go ahead and look at the scanned in magazine. So if they want to go ahead and zoom in on an article, they can go ahead and read. We have headings, we have titles, we have captions, and again, we have the source citation. Up here in the search bar, you can search for a lot of things. Like I said, I have found things on science, social studies, and just fun facts that kiddos can take a look at. I hope you enjoy this tool.